Okay, you're on camera. You're on video.
Hi.
Mommy's riding a caballo.
Going to the Philippines with the horse.
You say caballo in Tagalog.
Kabayo.
Caballo.
Mayroon na akong kabayo.
Oh, it's so bright. That's terrible there. That's okay. Thank you, Sarah, for being our lead line. Let me get in front.
Ouch.
And Cheryl falls back in the dirt. We're going to make Mommy a cowgirl.
Yeah. I'm gonna buy a horse soon.
And dogs.
And dogs.
See what happens when you come to Canada?
I'll be a farmer now.
Yeah. Do you want to go faster?
No.
No? Do you want to trot?
Okay. You want that?
Just a little. Okay, now hang on. Put your bum down.
Trot?
Yeah. Hang on. Here you go. Hang on. Put your bum down. Good girl. Thanks, Sarah. I know Mom's probably waiting for you to go. So, are you sure? Do you want to try by yourself?
No.
No? Okay, that's all right.
Thank you.